Hi, my name is Zarin, and this is my submission for CS50W's Project 4, which is a web-based social network application. So for the first feature, users do have the ability to create a new post. So if we were to type something such as, such great weather today, and we click post, you can see that that new post is nicely slided into the section where all of the currently existing posts are already listed. And so here on the home page, we do have the ability to see all posts from all users on the website. So we can see the user that posted, the content of the post, the date and time, and the number of likes on the post. And now we can also click on any of these users' profiles. So if we go to the Thelonious' profile, we can see the number of followers they have, the number of people they're following, the number of posts, as well as seeing all of those posts. And we also have a follow, or if we're already following that user, an unfollow button. So now, on the left nav here, if we click on the following link, we're able to see posts of users that we currently follow. So right now we're only following ZZ Hogan. But if we were to go back to Thelonious' profile, click follow, we can see that that button has been updated to unfollow, and their follower count has increased. And we go back to following, we now see Thelonious' post in the following section. And so if we go back to Thelonious' profile and click unfollow, and we go to the following section, we can see that Thelonious' posts are no longer there. And so now we have also implemented pagination. So 10 posts at a time are displayed on the pages. So if we scroll down here and we keep scrolling, we can see that there is a next button and a previous button here. So if we're already on the first page, the previous button is disabled. As we can see here, it's grayed out and can't be clicked on. But if we click the next button, we get the next set of posts. And we can see that now the next button is disabled and the previous button is now enabled. And so now users also have the ability to edit any of their posts. So if we were to go to this post here, click edit, we can see that it's populated with the text of the existing post. So if we wanted to do something as simple as add a period to Arthur C. Clarke and click save, we can see that that new post has now been updated. The period is there and it's displayed on the all post page. Now users also have the ability to like and unlike posts. As we can see here, there's 3 likes on this post, and we can also like our own post. So if we click like on this post, we can see the number of likes is updated to 1, and the heart icon is changed to red. And if we click unlike, it goes back to the empty heart with 0 likes, and it works for any of these current posts. And so those are all of the features that have been implemented for Project 4, and thank you for watching.